See, it's not about being better than everybody else. It's about being better than you were yesterday. And when you string together enough days of getting better, you will find that you eventually are better than everyone else. Russell Wilson, one of the NFL's best quarterbacks, has always played the game at a high level. But before this season started, I kept seeing tweets, I kept seeing posts that said, "Let Russ cook." That implied that he was being held back. Well, this year, the coach decided to let Russ cook. And he's playing a game at a record-breaking level. He's cooking. And his wide receivers are eating. I need you to come up out of your shell, because you've been holding yourself back for far too long. It's time for you to start beasting. And once you start beasting, the day will come when you find yourself feasting. You gotta give everything you got. You gotta have a mindset. I'm not normal. I'm built different. I'm wired different. I'm a beast. And now it's time for me to start feasting. So I'ma cook it up. And then I'ma start feasting. And I'ma eat it up. And if you're in my way, I'ma beat it up. Activation. My momentum is increasing. And my inner dog is unleashing. And my inner dog is feasting. And you look like a tasty morsel. And so right now I'm feasting. I'm feasting on my job. I'm feasting on my workout. I'm feasting on my diet. I'm feasting on my competition. Because they never understood that inside of me there was an inner monster that was waiting to be unleashed, that was waiting to be released, that was caged up. And now there's no holding me back, there's no stopping me. Just like there should be no stopping you. Today is the perfect day for you to start beasting on any and every obstacle that you may face. I need you to flip your switch from off and stop retreating and release your inner dragon and start beasting on any situation. There is absolutely no quitting you. There's absolutely no give up in you. When you start beasting, then and only then can you start feasting on your setbacks. Can you start feasting on your failures? Can you start feasting on your reservations? When you make the choice, when you decide to give every ounce of your soul, you will find that you can make reservations to any place that you ever want to go. You can make reservations to the destination of your dreams. I need you to set your internal GPS to the destination of next level. Beasting and feasting, cooking and eating. Monday you wake up beasting. Tuesday you wake up beasting. Wednesday you wake up beasting. Thursday you wake up beasting. Friday you wake up beasting. Saturday you wake up beasting. And they say rest. No. Sunday you wake up beasting. And then you rest when you feasting. Because you, my friend, have earned it. This is a great day to win. Before you break down, just remember, you always have the option of breaking through. Give up never. Grind it out always. That has to be your mantra. You have to subscribe to the thought process of the late great Kobe Bryant, the Black Mamba. quit allowed, no give up allowed. You have to subscribe to the thought process of the GOAT, MJ, Michael Jordan. Can you put up 38 with flu-like symptoms? No quit allowed. Not 1 ounce of give up in your body. Not 1 ounce of give up in your soul. You gotta understand, the strength within you is much stronger, it's much greater than the force that's trying to break you. There is always light at the end of the tunnel. You just gotta keep driving and keep driving and keep driving until you physically see it. Not 1 ounce of give up in your spirit. The champions, the winners, those who emerge victorious, the greats, they have been counted out. They've been left for dead. They've been put in positions where they had to overcome what seemed to be insurmountable odds. 1 second left, down by 2, you got the ball. Will you shoot to win? Or will you whine like a little baby and say, maybe it's not for me? Maybe there's no way I can achieve it. Maybe I just don't have what it takes to get it done. Or will you be the one to do the unthinkable, to make the unbelievable believable, to make the impossible possible? Will you eliminate all fear and make the game-winning shot of your life? See, the only way you fail is if you fail to keep trying. The only way you fail is if you fail to keep going. The only way you fail is if you fail to keep showing up and showing out. Don't drown in despair when you could be and you should be swimming in success, swimming with the big fishes, making those doubters, making those haters, making those non-believers stand up and stand tall when you walk into the room. Not 1 ounce of give up in your heart, not 1 ounce of give up in your soul. Never, ever, ever let the outer dark diminish your inner shine. You can never ever quit. I need you to choose grit. I need you to choose grind over give up. You have everything inside to live up to the potential of your God-given ability. The way I see it, you got 2 options. Either let life keep knocking you down or get back up and fight. And you, my friend, are a natural-born fighter. You, my friend, are a natural-born winner. And there's not 1 ounce of give up in you. Your strength is there. The inner strength is there. But sometimes you have to dig a little bit deeper to find it. No quit allowed. Keep grinding until you emerge victorious. This is a great day to win.